Best wishes of the morning to class 12th. Welcome to English language. First book Flamingo is going on. Flamingo. Second lesson Lost Spring written by Alice Jung is being taught to you all. But it is also understood. It is being revised. But mention not. It will be proved very beneficial for you. So don't ignore. Lesson be being concentrate. Lost spring means stolen childhood. Lost spring means as I had told you in my summary of the lesson, lost spring means stolen childhood. Most of the children lost their childhood due to poverty. From primary stage of the life, they are engaged. They engage themselves in order of helping the parents to earn money. The writer Annie Zhang has been analyzed grinding poverty of the stolen childhood. Grinding poverty and tradition which condemn these children to a life of exploitation. Two types of children. First one living in slum area, and second the writer visits Firozabad bangle maker persons. Sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage. So first of all, please let's know about rag picker. Alice Jung visited Simapuri, located in Delhi. There she finds a boy named Sahab, short form Sahab, full name Sahab e Alam. Now, please get conversation between them, the writer and the boy Sahab e Alam. Why do you do this? I ask Sahab, whom I encounter every morning, scrounging for gold in the garbage dumps of my child. Neighborhood. Sahab left his home long ago. The writer Anizan puts the question before the boy Sahab Alam. Why do you do this job? Why? To whom she meets daily in the morning. How? Scrounging for gold in the garbage dumps. What was the reality of Sahab's life? Actually, Sahab belongs to Dhaka. Left his home long time ago. Set amidst the green fields of Dhaka. His home is not even a distant memory. There were many storms that swept away their fields and homes. So fast storm, very strong storm blew and it damaged, ruined everything there. It forced them to leave the place and stay here. I have nothing else to do. He mutters, he says, he utters, who, Sahab? He replies in very murmuring sound that he had nothing to do else more. Else more. The writer says, why? You should go to school. Go to school. Sahab replied, yes, ma'am, but there is no school. No school in my neighborhood. Neighborhood. Whenever I will find anyone, whenever anyone will be built, surely I will join the school. The writer promised, if I will open school, you will join. You will join. Sahab Alam replied strongly, hotly, why not? When you will open the school, please tell me, report me, inform me. Sure, I will join. After few days, when the writer and his son met once again, Sahab, immediate Sahab went to her and asked about the school, but she replied nothing. After months of knowing him, to whom Sahab actually visiting months, there was a good familiar position between the writer and the boy. So the writer asked the boy, name of his full form of his name, deep meaning of the name, but the boy didn't know. Actually, his full name was Sahab Alam, but he didn't know deep meaning of his name. Sahab Alam means Lord of the universe. He would have a hard time believing it. Aware of what his name represents, he roams the street with his friends. An army of barefoot boys who appear like the morning birds, as early in the morning when it lights enough, as birds come out just like them, these types of children also come out and engage themselves searching something in the garbage. Please prepare 2 questions. This is your homework. Thanks. Have a nice day.